We're going to draw a parrot.
Yeah, what does the word parrot start with? Yeah.
I mean P.
Yeah, the letter P. We hope you're going to follow along with us. We're going to draw a parrot, but we're first going to write the letter P. And we're going to use our crayons. We also need some
Paper.
paper. Oh, paper also starts with the letter
P.
P. Yeah, it sounds the same, huh? All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
We're using our black crayon first, and we're going to draw a line straight down the middle of our paper. So I'm not going to go too far down. This is the body of our parrot and also the head. I'm going to stop right there. So we'll start here and we'll go down to about there. Yes. Then we're going to draw the bump that's only on the top of our letter P. There's the letter P. And draw it sideways. Kind of looks like a sideways U. Yeah. We did it. There's the letter P. Now let's turn it into a parrot. And first, let's draw the eye. We're going to draw a circle right here in the middle of the P. Yes. And then we can color that in. Color it in solid. And if we ever go too fast, what can our art friends do?
Pause it.
Yeah, if you need extra time. Oh, I love that you left a little white highlight inside of your eye. I'm going to make my eye a little bit bigger by drawing another circle around it. You can leave that off if you want. Okay, now part of the parrot's head is red. I'm going to draw a line right here to divide the red and the white on our parrot. So draw it up and connect to the eye. And then we're going to draw the bottom part connecting down here. It looks kind of funny. We need to add the beak. Let's draw a curve that starts up here at the top and curves down. That's a big beak. I love it. Then we're going to start here and we're going to curve back up, but not as high. We're going to curve to the middle. Yeah. And then let's draw the bottom of the beak curving there. Yes, there's our parrot's beak. Let's color in the bottom part of the beak. That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video and take extra time to color in your parrot. Okay, now we're ready to draw. Oh, let's draw the branch next that our parrot is sitting on. We're going to draw a line that connects to the bottom of our letter P and goes across the paper. So we can start here and draw all the way over here. Yes, and then you can also connect the P down to the branch. I love that my body is short and yours is super tall. It's okay that our two drawings look different. They're both turning out awesome. That's because the most important thing is
to have fun and practice.
And practice. We hope you're having a lot of fun too. It's okay if your drawings look different than ours. I'm sure they're turning out awesome.
Yeah.
You want to tell them they're doing a good job?
You're doing the best job.
Yes, the best job. That too. All right, should we keep going?
Yeah.
Now let's draw the back of our parrot's body. We're going to draw a line down. That almost looks like it turned it into the letter R.
Yeah.
We're going to draw that later, aren't we? Let's draw a line right here down to there. Nice. Oh, let's draw the other side of our branch too. We're going to start here and draw another line that matches the top of our branch. So start there and draw it over to there. Oh, I like that you connected it. Yes, and then you can connect this over to there too. I'm going to connect those just like you. Okay, now let's draw our parrot's feet. We're going to draw a curve down. Yes, and then we're going to draw another curve down right here on the other side. Oh yeah, you could draw a straight line too. And then let's draw two really close together in the middle. 1, 2, and then we're going to draw little ones that are halfway down for the toes. Yes, there's 2 feet and 2 toes on each foot. Okay, now let's draw the wing on our parrot. We're going to draw a line or curve that curves right here to the back. Yes, and then let's draw 2 lines for the different colors on our parrot's wing. And then let's draw another wing over here on this side. Yes, and then we can draw 2 lines on that wing too. Oh, let's also draw the feathers coming out of the wing back here. So a little diagonal line that comes down. And what are we missing?
The tail.
The tail. Let's draw a big, it almost looks like a V, but it's curved at the bottom for the curved part of the feathers. So we can draw a line down and back up. And let's divide up the feathers on the tail so we can change the colors, I'm gonna add another feather right here. That is a really big tail and a teeny body. Parrots have really long tails, don't they?
Yeah.
Yes. Now it looks like a parrot, kind of, but what are we missing?
The colors.
Yeah, we need to color our parrot. Let's fast forward this part, and at the end, our art friends can pause the video to match our same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Give me 5. We did it. We finished drawing and coloring our parrots that start with the letter
P.
P. I love that we first drew the letter P and then turned it into our parrots, and they turned out perfect. Oh, the word perfect starts with the letter
P.
P.
We also added leaves.
We did. I love the leaves. And our art friends can pause the video to match our same coloring. We used Art for Kids colors, or primary colors. We used red. What's this color?
Yellow.
Yellow and
blue.
and blue. But you could color your parrots any way you want. You could also add a background. You could change your parrots any way you want. You could add even more details.
Even more parrots, even baby parrots.
Oh, baby parrots would be super cute.
Do you have fun drawing parrots with us?
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.